Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
I'm laughing because we've spoken for 15 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. And not had press record button. It's quite funny because it's not me does that.
We're heading to Shrewsbury today to see my youngest son Oliver and his girlfriend Kerry. Yesterday we saw James and his girlfriend Kelsey, and we're going to Hickory's again. Yay! No.
Hickory's is lovely food. We went to Hickory's in Worcester. Fantastic, great with dogs.
Excellent, brilliant with dogs.
Hickory's at Greene in Crewe yesterday. Again,
good.
Nice food, good with the dogs.
Yeah, good.
Today,
not as good as the one in
no, not Worcestershire.
No, Worcestershire, no.
And today we're at the one in Shrewsbury.
Yes. And the reason, it's not that we're addicts to Hickory's, it's just that we happened to mention that we'd found it to the boys when we spoke to them.
And they both went, oh yeah, Hickory's.
Yeah, love Hickory's.
Love Hickory's. So I said, right, we'll go with you then.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, on Friday night it transpired that we couldn't see James and Oliver on the same day.
Yeah.
So we went to Hickory's yesterday with James, which was at Crewe. And today we're at Shrewsbury with Oliver.
Yeah.
So it's just the way it's worked out. It wasn't meant to have 3 days of Hickory's. It was meant to be 2, but hey ho.
So we're a bit Hickory'd out, but we wouldn't tell them because we don't see them that often.
And we do enjoy the food, just that we went a bit large.
Didn't we
with a shared platter.
On 2 occasions. No,
so today we're not having a shared platter.
No.
Today we'll go for something smaller.
I'm going for a salad with something.
Yeah, but we'll get a brisket again for the puppies.
Yeah, because they seem to...
They like the meat.
Yeah.
But I'm going to say the dogs, they bounce like the meat. 29 miles. If you do 60 miles an hour, it should take us half an hour. Mostly 60 miles an hour.
But the temperature is really hot.
Really stood up, so I might turn the aircon off. It doesn't understand this long.
How do I turn it off, babe? AC. Billy's really weird on anything like that. And we've got the aircon going in the back of the car for them. But he stood up trying to climb around Willow, so we've got the windows open, as you can tell by the way you're blowing about.
That's it, they'll settle down now.
But anyway, we're not filming our journey there because you've done this route a few times with us now. So we're just going to keep you up to date, and you've missed breakfast with us because it was just too hot and sticky and we were trying to cope with the dogs.
In actual fact, when she said we filmed it a few times, last evening, coming back from Crewe, I stopped every 20 minutes.
So if you watched...
went round the circle.
If you watch yesterday's, there's lots of drone work in it because Mike's taking loads of drones. But he's got Ludlow Castle. Some nice drone work there. Have a look at it and see what you think. Yeah, it gets brownie points for that. But we'll love you and leave you, and we'll speak to you later.
Bye guys. Catch you later.
Bye guys. See you later. coming out of
Enjoy.
Shrewsbury. You enjoyed your pancakes?
Yeah.
100 yards into the roundabout and
Yeah.
By the time we got to it, I was ready for it.
Yeah.
left ahead.
The temperature is 33 degrees and it is incredibly hot. There's hardly any wind blowing. Poor
Despite the fact
doggos.
Don's had beans.
How cute is it here? Oh wow. Oh yeah, this is good for the doggos. There's a dog up there. Look how pretty this place is. It's something out of a chocolate box. Well folks, we're down by the river. It's freezing. I got my feet in. Mike's got his feet in. Willow's in. And Billy, of course. He's really a part dolphin.
It's looking that way, which is time, babe.
Yes, it is Midgie's time. Another little doggy over there. Don't know if you can see it swimming then. Another doggy coming. It's doggy heaven. Mind you, they all need it. And then there's a little doody over there. Nice little weir of some kind. To be honest folks, it's just been a bit too hot to be able to do very much today, so this is cooling us all down. How pretty it is. Willow, you're a pudding. Ha ha, Mike! No! Willow was not. Willow's just decided to stand behind me and shake. And I am wet through now.
It's me up 4 times, 5 times.
Ah, young lady. I don't know what it is, it's equally weird or something. Let's see if we can go along here. Squeaky flip-flops because they're wet. People that are swimming in it. It's packed down there. And I've got squeaky feet because I've been paddling. So I'm sorry if you can hear squeaky feet. Every time, Billy Bear.
Move it up. There we go.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust